Okay, let's take a look at lesson 1.2, types of U.S. law found in your business law book. Goals: identify the four sources of law and distinguish between criminal and civil laws and between procedural and substantive laws. Sources of law: the four types are Constitution, statutes, administration regulations, and case law. So let's take a look at constitutions. A constitution is a document that sets forth the framework of a government in its relation to the people it governs. When constitutions are adopted or amended, or when courts interpret constitutions, constitutional law is made. U.S. Bill of Rights. The U.S. Bill of Rights is based on three English documents, as highlighted here. Branches of U.S. government in lawmaking powers. You have the legislative, executive, and judicial branch. Legislative branch makes the laws. Executive branch investigates and prosecutes alleged violators. And judicial branch sits in judgment of alleged violators. Statutes. Acting for their citizens, legislators enact laws called statutes. Legislation at the local level usually is called an ordinance. Administrative regulations. Administrative agencies are governmental bodies formed to carry out particular laws. Case law. When the higher or appellate court publishes its opinion on a case, that opinion may state new rules to be used in deciding the case and others like it. These rules are known as case laws. Federal courts establish federal case laws. Similarly, each state creates case law through its own state courts. Classifications of laws. Civil laws, criminal laws, procedural laws, substantive laws, and civil laws. When the private legal rights of an individual are violated, the matter is governed by civil law. The use of the term civil law within the common law system refers to the group of laws that deal with wrongs against an individual's person. Civil laws apply whenever one person has the right to sue or to bring legal action against another person. Criminal laws. A crime is an offense against society. When a citizen's right to live in peace is violated by such activity, the offense is governed by criminal law. Acting in the same name of all the people, the government investigates all or an alleged wrongdoing. If a crime is committed and the person responsible can be found, the government will prosecute. Conviction of a crime can result in a fine, imprisonment, and in some states, execution. Procedural laws. Procedural laws deal with methods of enforcing legal rights and duties. There are two types of procedural laws: civil procedure and criminal procedure. Criminal procedure defines the process for enforcing the law when someone is charged with a crime. Civil procedure is used when a civil law has been violated. Substantive laws. In contrast, substantive laws define rights and duties. It is concerned with all rules of conduct except those involved in enforcement. And it defines offenses such as murder, theft, vehicular homicides, breach of contract, and negligence. Okay, that's the end of section 1.2. We will get started on section 1.3. Again, it's absolutely important that you read the book. And thank you and have a nice day.